So the transformer's coming along. You can see we've got the heat shrink tape on there. Primary is right there. And then we've got all these secondary windings coming out. We have to number these. So the next step is to figure out the corresponding connections. The blue and the green are a winding, but we need to figure out which ones are which, and the black and the white are a winding too. So those are our high current windings with the 12 gauge, and then we need control windings for the plus and minus 12 volts for the regulator, and we need voltages for the meters. We need voltages for the relays to control the tap selects, and we may need some other accessory voltages for some other things. I don't know yet. So we have our control windings here, and they're two different colors to indicate the phase. So if I need two phases, I know what colors I can take off here. So that's starting to look like a product. I want to get more shrink tape on here though. I want to get more shrink tape on here first, because it's just got a minimal coating of shrink tape right now. More shrink tape. Then we need to find out which ones are which and label them, because for a professional product you should have it labeled, so at least you know which numbers go where, and that'll be important for the drawing too, so you can see what taps on what connection point. And then once we figure out which connections are which connections, then we can do a piece of paper to identify all the taps, put it on the transformer, and then shrink tape it on there so it's permanent with the transformer, so it has some kind of detail of how it operates. So we're pretending to be professionals by making this a complete product and not just having mystery windings. We don't want to just have mystery windings. So that's where we're at. This is 3/4 finished essentially, because all the windings are on. They're tapped and connected, and it's ready for a functional test. And it's not quite complete, but definitely ready to get all the data. And it's pretty big. It's like a good 8 inches or so. It's a pretty big transformer. 16 pounds. So it's a decent transformer. It's a 1000 VA transformer. Hopefully that's enough power for what we're trying to do.